Hi there. You have a meeting lined up with the office management and need to quickly show the data like contacts in a spreadsheet and not in HubSpot. What would you do? The solution is simple. Whether you need it for analysis or to prepare internal reports, you can easily export data from HubSpot. For this, export permission must be enabled for the user. Let us see in action how we can export data from HubSpot. Log into your HubSpot account and navigate to Contacts and select Contacts. The Contacts page will be displayed. Now select one or more contacts that you would like to export. If you want to export all, simply select All. You can also filter the contacts based on country, status, etc., and export only the filtered contacts. Once the contacts are selected for export, in the top right-hand corner is the Export button. Click on it for initiating the export. Now you get the pop-up window Export View. On the top it shows the email ID where this exported file will be emailed. The exported file will also be added to Notifications Center. Below that, it shows the total number of contacts that you are trying to export. Validate that the number is correct if you are aware of the number of contacts to be exported. Select the format for the export file from drop-down given, CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Then select whether you need all the properties for these contacts to be exported to, or do you need only the properties which were showing in the view where you selected the contacts from. If you need to do a complete analysis, you may want to choose All Properties on Records option. It further provides you option for contacts with multiple email addresses. Usually email is the unique value for contacts and differentiates one contact from another in HubSpot. But one contact can have more than one email IDs. If you want all these email IDs of a contact to be exported, select Include All Email Addresses. If you do not want all email IDs, instead need only the main or primary email ID alone, then leave it unselected or unchecked. Below this, you get the option to choose your preferred language for export. This language will be selected for main column names in the report or exported data. Say we choose English. After selecting all needed values, click on Export. Now you will get a pop-up showing that the export is processing, and you will get email notification when export is completed. Want to be able to track the export file, whether it's ready or not? You can do that by clicking Track Export link in pop-up shown above. It navigates you to Import Export Dashboard page, which shows details of all exports done in last 30 days and their status. When export is completed, it shows click here to download. When the export file is ready, the notification will also be displayed under the bell icon, which is located at the topmost right-hand corner of the screen. That's it. Now you know how to easily export contacts in HubSpot. Hope you liked this video. Like the video and subscribe to our channel to be notified of more HubSpot tips and tricks, new features and tutorials coming soon. Thank you.